Hello everybody, so this video I'm going to be making is about cleaning your fuel injectors off a '03 Kawasaki 636. um, I bought this little tool here from Amazon. Comes with this tube they could insert, you know, the injectors, and then I just got, a regular can from AutoZone. um, and it comes with these wires you can connect into the back of the insert. So this is comes with two, some different size, these different types of inserts, different size of injectors. You might use it for a car or something. But I'm gonna show you. There's another video on YouTube about it, but they don't show you, how to do it. It just tells you. But so see where these words, these letters are. This is the positive, and this is the negative right here. Let me see if you can focus. Focus. All right, there you go. So the one with the letters are the positive, and the one without the letters is the negative. So the right side of that insert is the negative, and the one on the left side is the positive. So it goes in here. I'm sorry. There you go. All right, and then you take the top cap off. You insert this thing here. All right, so I'm going to use two hands because on this one you don't put the whole thing in there. You just tap it. Okay, you hear that? So you just tap. Don't put it in. Don't hold it for a while, because you will bust an injector, and the injectors cost more than $100 per one. Not all four, just one. So give me a sec to install a little stand or something, and I'll show you how it goes. All right, hope it shows. So you hold the top, grab the positive wire, and you just tap it, and you can see. Woo! I think this injector is pretty dirty because it's not supposed to be doing that. I'm gonna have to hold it. Here it goes again. There you go. You'd like to see that kind of spray on that. So when you start, you gotta hold it from here and just push it down and just tap on it, so it can have a clean spray of that injector. You gotta clean the whole thing, because when I took this apart, it was dirty from, for a long time, and my tank. And what I did not take the whole thing apart, because I guess it's just a waste. All I did was I used this type of screwdriver to make it, fit in here, to take the screws off. All I did is it easily comes off. So you got this plug and this plug and this plug just to take off, and it comes out easily, and that's it, nothing else. And I'm gonna have to buy new O-rings, because these O-rings they're done. Just take a focus on this one. See that? It's already been eaten and done. So I'm gonna have to get some new ones, which I'll put that in the next video once I install these down. But make sure you have these in order, the way they came back. See how dirty these are? Look at that. Got the residue from that O-ring. Yeah, clean that out. But I tested all these already. They're good to go. Put that back. But yeah, I recommend to buy this. It's really good. It's Amazon for like 11 bucks with some change, and it helps out. All right. Hope you guys enjoying this video. I'll post up the next video of installing these injectors back into the bike, and see if that's the cause of that bike not turning on, because it wants to hit, it wants to power, but nothing will come out. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys have a good day, and also if you guys riding, be safe out there. Peace.